I have written down 2-3 times. So I will prefer my mother language, mother tongue, in Kokro. So, tomorrow, Nukha, the Honorable Governor, the address. Kabangmo Zagamo Development Nikok Nukha. Kabangma sini Honorable Minister Musaka, sini Naji, he only spoken. Kabangma Development Nikok Lama, Tui, education. I appreciate the government of Tripura, but I am some confused. ABC area